In the storage room of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Yeah, woo. Tell me, Dr. Jones, do you have any last words? I've seen a lot of crazy stuff, but this outdoes all of it. Interesting choice. Well, get on with it. Kill him. Not the way I expected to go out. Let him go. Let him go, huh? You better fight for him. Foxy, you're up. So be it. Whee! Oh, you're weak. Oh. Fight. You son of a gun. I'll do it, man. Believe me, I'll do it. I believe you. Thanks.